This is question 12 of chapter 10, and this, first of all, I would just explain what is the problem. The problem is states a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So here is the radius 4 centimeter which it circumscribes. So this will also be 4, this will also be 4 because it's all radius of the same circle, such that the segments BD and DC, let us assume that this is BD and it's given that it's 8 centimeter. And CD is 6 centimeter. So this is what is already given. Now what we have to find? We have to find the sides AB and AC. So we have to find this whole distance AC and AB. So that is the problem. Okay, let us proceed ahead and think how we can solve this problem. First thing, from the theorem which we already read, it's obvious that B is some external point from which two tangents are drawn here. This is one tangent and this is one tangent. And what will happen? The length of the tangents will be the same. So BT will be equal to BD, isn't it? So we can say that BT is 8 centimeter because it is same as BD. Similarly, we can say that PC, this distance, is equal to CD, which is 6 centimeter. So PC could also be, we can say that PC is equal to 6 centimeter. But this PC is just a part of AC, isn't it? It's a part, it's not full. If we want to calculate how much is AC, we need to add CP or PC with AP. Then we will find the length of AC. Similarly, if we want to find the length of AB, then we need to add AT and then TB, isn't it? TB we already know 8 centimeter, but what needs to be known presently is AT and then AP. So this is what we don't know till now. So we just need to try to find out the length of AP and AT. Okay, let us assume that we want to find AP first. Okay, so for finding AP, so here we have to actually use the two formulas of area of circle or area of triangle in order to solve that problem. So do you remember that area of triangle could be found out in two ways? One formula is S s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. And then another formula is a very usual formula, half into base into height for any triangle. So we will use these two formulas and then try to equate them so that we find the value of x. So x, I already told that these two are the same, which is unknown, so we have assumed that this is x. So let us try to find out s first. What is s? S is all the sides of the triangle added together divided by 2. So this way we find x is equal to x plus 14. And then if we try to find out the area, what will be the area of this whole triangle A, B, C? The area will be S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And we get this expression, square root of 48x multiplied by x plus 14 as its area. Let us go further and then try to find out area, which we can say as A2. Again, it is the same area for this triangle ABC, same triangle, but now we are going to use the formula half base into height, and then we will try to divide. There are three bases. One is AB, and then the height is OT, isn't it? So half AB into OT. Then for this triangle, half of CB into OD, that is again radius. And then for the third time, again we can use AC as a base. So putting all those things together, we get this expression. A2 will be equal to half into 4. 4 centimeter is the radius and its height of all three triangles, which is summed up to the area of the big triangle ABC. So we are adding three different areas of a triangle so that we get the same area for the whole big triangle ABC. After simplifying it, we get this 4 times x plus 14. Now the most important thing is that these two areas are the same because it is for the same triangle ABC. Okay, so we can equate it. So let us equate it. So 48 times x plus 14, which we got by using this formula. Here we have got it. And then that should be equal to 4 times x plus 14. And then let us square it both sides so that it gets simplified here. So after squaring, we get 48x times x plus 14 is equal to 16 x plus 14 whole square. Now we can see that x plus 14 is common factor in both of the sides. Here also there is x plus 14, here also x plus 14, and it is non-zero because x will have some value. So it's non-zero. So for non-zero, we can easily cut it. And if we have taken out x plus 14 from both sides, then we get 48x, only 48x here. And then this side 16 times x plus 14. So simplifying it, we get the value of x is equal to 7 centimeter. And now we can find AC and AB. So AC is nothing but 6 plus x, 6 plus x. So AC will be equal to 6 plus 7. AC will be equal to 6 plus x, that is 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 centimeter. And then what will be AB? It will be 8 plus x. AB is equal to 8 plus x, and we have already found the value of x. So AB will be 15 centimeter, and that is the answer.